What's going on? So we got some cheap mods for the Focus today, and one of them, they're both from Amazon, under 80 bucks. I would say under $70. Um, and they're gonna replace these junk. I mean, it looks terrible. So does my paint, but we're gonna get that buffed. But right here, we'll get rid of these. With these, so I still got the plastic on it, but some sequential turn signals here, and we have one more which will make you look less like an RC car, which is the Stubby. And this guy is gonna go on your back right there. So yeah, pretty simple, pretty easy, and it's gonna be a quick before and after. The only thing that you're gonna need for these, honestly, is I just did it with a flathead screwdriver and a little pick. And let me come over here. All you're gonna do is I angled my mirror like this. You go in the car, you set your mirror down all the way, and you're gonna have these two tabs here, 1 and 2, and it's gonna sit on there, and you're not prying up. You're gonna slide through here, right? So it's like this, and you're gonna pry up on this, not down. So you don't want to go in this way underneath of it. You don't want to do that. You want to go on top and then pry up and then pull this out of the way. Now for me, for some reason, this one I couldn't get anything in the clip, so all I did was take this and go in from this side and pry down from here, or pry up on the mirror cap and push this clip down with this. And I did both of them, and it just popped out. It's pretty easy. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull that off. Didn't break any clips, you know, knock on wood. Alright, so now we got our mirror, and this should just pop right out. There's a clip there, and there's a clip here. So, and they hand you this tool as well, so you can just kind of pop that out. And it's gonna sound like you broke stuff when this pops, but I promise, if you just be gentle and just don't force, it'll eventually wiggle its way out. So yeah, so now we have this old crusty boy out of here. So yeah, these things yellow so quickly, and they're just not the best. So just remember how it goes in. Push that over there. We're gonna take our light bulb out. Don't need that anymore. And I believe this one, I think it's the right size. Yep, it's gonna go here, and you're gonna plug this into where the light bulb goes into. So let me do that real quick. Alright, a large cut. I will say, if you are buying these, you have to mingle around with these a little bit. You do have to mingle, and I'll show you on where I put the other one. Oh, it's over here. This clip right here, at least on my driver's side, did not snap in, and I had to heat it up and pry it back just a little bit for it to grab and to lock into place. Now, will it lock in? I don't know. I just tested it and slammed my door, so it didn't, you know. fall off. But, you know, the test of time will, we'll see. So let me go ahead and put my cap back on, and then we'll see what they look like. All right, once the cap is on, they feel a little bit more sturdy. It's just smoked, so not too bad. But yeah, that's them. Sequential. Looks really nice compared to this. So that versus this. Looks pretty good. Let's do the other side. Alright, we got the other side in. Same process. Nice sequentials. Super easy. You do have to pull that tab out, like I said, but once that tab is pulled out, you know, they're pretty good. They're in there. They look so much better. I do need the headlights now, sequential, to match, but this is a great touch. They look really good for 30 bucks. So yeah. Next, we're going to move on to the Stubby, which will take 5 seconds. But you need this to not look like an RC car. Please trust me. Go with the Stubby. Alright. So this is your Stubby. The Stubby. This, I think, was $10 or 14 bucks. I mean, it was cheap. I think together, I don't know what I paid for this, but I think it was worth it, especially for just Amazon kind of upgrades, I guess. You know, people always get a little iffy. But yeah, the sequentials were $31.96. And the Stubby right here was, drum roll, it was 20 bucks. So $50 on Amazon for these two. And I think I mean, mostly these are more standing out wise, but the Stubby will make that subtle difference. And all we're gonna do is come back here. I already have mine off. We're just gonna thread this guy right in. The Stubby. Look at that guy. I'm telling you, it's a subtle difference so you don't look like an RC car. It's so good. But anyways, that's the install. $50. Some pretty decent products. And we won't break the bank. Good subtlety. I'll link everything in the description. But yeah. The next video, we are going to be putting in a defouler. Finally, to get rid of these O2 sensor or codes, which I cannot stand anymore. It's the last code on the dash, and I am ready to be done with it. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and film that, but that's the video for today. Appreciate you guys for watching. Peace out.